This is a continuation of what are normals, and you should have watched that video first. To review, we created a cylinder, got into edit mode, marked it as shade smooth, and this undesirable smoothness around some of the edges was the result. The easiest way to fix this is to go into the object data properties, find the normals section, and click auto smooth. If you look at the normals and make them a little larger so you can see them, you'll find that magically the normals on the corners of the vertical quadrangles on this cylinder are merged together, but they're not merged with the normals on the top. This auto smooth checkbox has an angle value. The default is 30. And what it does is check the angle between all faces around all corners. If the angle between the faces is less than 30, the normals on those faces are merged together, averaged. If the angle is greater than 30, the normals are not averaged. In the default cylinder, the angles between the vertical faces is about 11 degrees. This is less than 30. So the normals at the corners are averaged between the faces, and the sides of the cylinder look smooth. The angle between the sides and the top is 90 degrees, which is greater than 30s, so the normals of the top and the bottom are just the face normal. Even though the top is still marked as smooth shaded, it is the smooth shading calculated from a bunch of normals all pointing in the same direction, which is the same as flat shading. If you grab that auto smooth angle and decrease it below 11 degrees, the sides of the cylinder will be flat shaded again. If you increase the angle above 90 degrees, then the top edge will be shaded smooth again, which is not what we want. This gives you some control over what edges look sharp and which look smooth, but it applies to the whole model. If there are some areas you need individual control over, there is a way to select smooth shading manually in different parts of the build, and I'll cover that in the next video.